So around winter time, I got this quad frame and I traded a 196 Coleman motor for it. So I'm gonna go in my shed, look around and see what I got for parts and see if I can round up everything I need to get this thing going. So let's go take a quick look in the shed. So looking for a seat, an exhaust, and a motor. So this one's sitting right here, which is probably a better fit. That's for a pit bike, that's for a mini bike. So this is an obvious choice. Got the fuel tank. Now the motor options we have is this 110 full auto motor, which no shifter, no kickstart, so we'll have to run a battery in there. So we got wiring harness sitting around. I think this is a wiring harness for one, which is actually, I think, yeah, this came with the motor. Also got a running 50cc 4-speed clutch motor right here with the kickstart and shifter and all that. I'm probably not going to end up using that because it's a little more complex to hook up. So there's the motor. This is actually originally for that drift trike I was building. I sold just as a roller frame. Right here I got this old junky seat. I got this from a friend for like 10 bucks or something like that. So we'll see if we can make that work for your seat. This is a Sierra F110. This is a Sierra 50. And then we got a couple Chinese, which I think they're actually 4-wheeler exhausts. So I'm thinking one of these will do. I'm not sure which one. I'll grab both these rustier ones because I'm thinking I'll want to save the Honda exhaust. So all the parts for it should need. This car is heavy, junk out here. So on to the daily Bible verse. So we got Joshua chapter 1, sentence 9. And it says, "Have I not commanded you, be strong and courageous, do not be afraid, and do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." It really talks about overcoming fear and that challenges you go through with your life, you will be in the constant presence of God. If you have any further questions, feel free to throw a comment down below. Otherwise, back to the video. I think there's storms rolling in too, so I gotta speed this process up. Now that everything's welded and cooled down, need to pull that motor back out. It's actually really solid. All the tedious stuff like bleeding the brakes, putting the wiring harness on there, and the fuel tank and seat, I just did all that off camera. And this thing is ready to rip, so let's take this thing out. I'm going to try to pull a sled with it and see how that goes. Otherwise, that sums that up. Well, I let Unc take the frickin'... I finished the 4-wheeler, and I let Unc take the 4-wheeler out. And what do you know? Well, what happened? What happened?
I just bogged down and just overflowing.
See if I can pull this thing.
Come on.
There we go. We gotta get some momentum going up this hill. Get up. Got it. Dude, this bike was struggling. Alright, after a lot of fiddling around with this thing,
Dude, you take the e-bike down. Uh-oh. Dude.
Hold your horse.
The tank.
Hold your horse, Ness. Hold your horse.
All right, run her back up to the house. Let's throw a zip tie in there. Zip tie's the one that screw themselves.
It's gonna hurt my ass.
Here, let me swing it around first. But what are we doing with this little four-wheeler? Here comes a ride, sir. Oh boy, let's see what happens. Yeah, it works. Oh boy. I'm a little bit heavier. Oh boy. What is he doing up there, dude? What? No way. No way he freaking fits up there, dude. Dude. I don't know why he's jumping that. Whenever I jump it, I get off balance. All right, buddy. Doing a switch. Dude, August flying.
About rolled it. You stall it? There you go. Darn it! At least I'm near the thingy. So you take a look around, the mini quad is gone. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to check out, which I'm really excited for, is the video coming out on that Trailblazer 250. So kind of a crappy day out right now, and I finally found some time to get this video edited and done. Otherwise, make sure to check out the videos coming out on that e-bike, that four-wheeler, and probably make another one on the 140. So I will see you guys in the next one. Now it's a couple days later. Now I'm headed to go sell the quad at a local gas station. So 350 bucks, so I have it listed for right now. So we'll see if he lowballs me. I have about 80 bucks into it, I'd say. So, and I mean, if I get lowballed, I probably won't take it because I got a lot of people interested, but otherwise that sums that up. Let's go sell this damn thing.